In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Doordash order in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to see your driver on the map and check a reliable ETA so you can plan your time confidently while you wait. First, open the Doordash app, make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection so everything loads quickly. If you haven't updated the app in a while, doing that beforehand can help the tracking features run smoothly. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen where you usually browse restaurants and past favorites. Next, tap the Orders tab. On most devices, you'll find it along the bottom of the screen. This is the hub for everything related to your deliveries, including active and past orders. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to refresh. The Orders tab is where Doordash keeps live updates in one place. Now select your current delivery. It should appear at the top of the list, marked as in progress or on the way. Tap it to open the order details page. Here you'll see the restaurant name, items, and status updates. If you've placed multiple orders, make sure you're tapping the one you're expecting right now. From there, look for the live in-app map. This map shows your driver's real-time location as they head toward you, along with the route and your delivery address pin. You can zoom in and pan around to get a closer look at the driver's progress. Keep in mind, the live map becomes available once the driver has picked up your order and is officially on the way. If you don't see movement yet, the driver may still be at the restaurant or the order is being prepared, so the map might only show a general status until pickup is complete. Finally, check the estimated time of arrival displayed on the screen. This ETA updates automatically as conditions change, so it can shift a bit based on traffic, weather, or brief stops. Use it as your most accurate guide for when to head to the door. If the time seems outdated, a quick refresh of the orders page usually brings it up to the minute. That's all you need to reliably track your Doordash delivery. Open the app, head to orders, select your active delivery, watch the live map once the driver's on the road, and keep an eye on the ETA to stay perfectly in sync.